Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing like an update, but I guess kind of like an unboxing. So first I wanted to show you guys which Coach wallet that I picked, or card holder that I picked with the metallic pink color. So I have them both right here. So these were the two I was deciding on, and I decided to go with this L-Zip one. What was suggested to me by a subscriber, and I'll put her name on the screen if she doesn't mind, but she actually suggested that I put my cards in them and that I see how they both work. So that's what I did. I put my cards in both of these, and surprisingly this one fit all of my cards from both of my key pouches that I normally carry. So, and it didn't get bulkier. It kind of maintained the same shape as to where this one, it already has a little bit of bulk. And I'll turn that so you can kind of see those two. It has a little bit of bulk, and they're actually probably the same. So right here, while it's empty, they actually have the same bulkiness. But once I put items in this, it just got really bulky, and I was like, you know what, I didn't really like that. And I could not put all my cards in here because, as you see, this gusset, it restricts you from putting items over here and over here. So once I put like 2 cards over here, I really didn't have the capacity to put anything else in here. So this one just didn't work out, versus this one, because it's a little bit longer, it allowed me the space to put all of my cards in here. I was able to put some on both sides, and this is what the filling came in with it, so it's not in here, but I was able to put cards on both sides of this gusset, and it still maintained the same shape, wasn't bulky, was nice, flat, and just perfect. So this one is the one that I have decided to keep, and I will be returning this one to Coach. Alright you guys, so for this next item is one I have already unboxed like twice on my channel. The first time I unboxed it, I did purchase it from Fashion File, and I sent it back because I really wanted to get this item brand new. In my head, I was like, you know what, I won't be purchasing a lot of YSL bags, and so I wanted to get my first one brand new. Even though I got a really good price on that one from Fashion File, it was about $100 cheaper, which of course saving money is always good, but with the tax and everything on a new bag, this one cost me about $17.45, and I paid $14.95 or $14.90 for the one on Fashion File's website. But when I bought this one currently, they were having a sale at, I think I got it from Saks. Where did I get this from? Yeah, Saks Fifth Avenue. They were having a sale, and I got back I got a gift card with my purchase. So here's the envelope here. I'm assuming that this is the actual gift card because I don't know if it was electronic or if this is the receipt. Yeah, so it looks like this is my receipt. It has the receipt and a return label should I decide to return this. And there's an actual gift card in here, you guys. Look at that. So there's an actual gift card in here. So I'm excited about this. It is $150 like gift card since I purchased this bag, which when I take that gift card from the price of this bag, it comes out to $15.95. So I pretty much got back the taxes on the bag after everything was done. So I'm happy about that. So all in all, I paid $100 extra for the one that was on Fashion File site. And the problem that I had with that was it came with a box, it came with the dust bag, but it did not have an authenticity card. And it was listed in new condition, but you know, I don't know. I wanted mine brand new, so here she is in the box. If I can get that out of there. Dust bag. And of course you all know what this is. I've already unboxed this on my channel, but I wanted to update you guys. I'm happy I went this route. I definitely enjoy getting all the stuffing. And you all know the story. I sent that one back from Fashion File. I ordered this twice from Saks Fifth Avenue, and I kept getting that taupe color, even though on the website it said dark beige. It was not dark beige, it was taupe. And my lighting behind my window is pretty bright. Or behind my camera, I should say. Look at this, wrapped so nice and so pretty, look. I have to smell it, it smells so new. Look, it came with all the foam, which we love. I don't know, you guys. I love when I get bags wrapped like this because I just feel like I'm the first person to touch it. I don't know. Look at the strap is wrapped up nicely in there. There's some stuffing. I'm going to take that out. Take out all the stuffing. The strap. Here's the strap. Here's the price tag, or the, yeah, I guess the price tag on the bag. It says $15.90. There's a card in the front, just like a little, I don't know, white card. Let me see. I don't know where the authenticity card is or what it looks like. Okay. All right. So here's the booklet paperwork that it comes with. Let's open this up. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is the authenticity card or what, but there's quite a few pieces of, I don't know, papers that's in here. Looks like some receipts, some care booklet, like the little card that comes from Louis Vuitton when you buy it. It just says Saint Laurent, Paris, made in Italy. It tells it's a YSL mini mono bag. This is from 2021, so they're just selling off a bag made last year. And this, another type of card and another card. Not sure what these cards are, but they all came in this envelope here. And this is my first time actually seeing a lot of this, even though it did come with the tote bag. I never opened it because I knew I wasn't going to keep that, so I did not want to unwrap that for someone else who might have wanted the joy of unwrapping that themselves. So this is what this is. All right, let's get to this, and this comes with the sticker on it. Still has the sticker there, so that's good. Smells really good. It's little. Of course, this is the YSL Mini Toy Lulu in the dark beige color. And real quickly, I wanted to show you guys the shoes again that I had purchased to go with this bag. So there you can see. They're actually the exact same color without the light. Well, this one's a little bit lighter, but you can see how those are going to work really good together. And I was kind of hesitant on rebuying this bag because I was like, maybe it just wasn't meant for me to have it. So I was like, I'm not going to rebuy it. But when I saw that that sale was going on Saks website, I went on ahead and decided to buy it. Let me pull out this strap. It is a really thin strap. I don't think I noticed that the first time I bought it from Fashion File. I love this bag, but this is my unboxing of my finally new YSL toy Lulu. I'm so happy to have this in the color that I wanted. I'm going to show you really quickly how this looks against the card holder, the pale pink. And that's all for this video. I'll put a photo of that in, but that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.